Hi friends, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to download the data from FAO database. So to download the data from FAO database, you can open the FAO website through the fao.org or www.fao.org. Then after opening the FAO website, you can click on Statistics and open the FAO start. Another way to open in the FAO database, you can use Google search. You can search FAO start. Then you can click on FAO start database. It goes also in the same page as you open through the FAO website. So the FAO database is one of the most reliable databases that they collect the data about the different factors, especially about the agriculture and food security. You can open the database in different languages, for example, Arabic, Chinese, French, Russian, and Spanish. So to open the FAO database, you can either click on data or you can click on explore data. So you can see this page. In this page, there are different items. For example, production, food security and nutrition, food balances, and economic factors like trade, prices, investment, macroeconomic indicators, and so on. So, for example, I want to download the about agricultural commodities and the data about the agricultural commodities. So I go to production. You can see crops and livestock production indexes and value of agricultural production. So as I need the data about the agricultural production, so I click on the first item. You see this page, and in the right upper right side, you can choose the country that you want the data. For example, I choose Afghanistan. You can choose one country or more than one country to download the data at the same time. So if you want the data about the region, for example, Africa, Asia, or all the world data about the agricultural products, so you can choose. If you want to download the data about the special groups, for example, European, so you can choose from here. I want to download the data about Afghanistan and one more country, for example, I choose Canada. So here in the right upper side, you can select the elements or the data that you want, for example, the area harvested, yield, production quantity, and some other factors. For example, I want to download the data about the yield of or productivity of an agricultural commodity. If you want to download also at the same time the area harvested, you can choose more than one factor or more than one element. Here in the lower left side, you can select the commodity or agricultural product. For example, I want to search wheat productivity. I choose wheat. So here you can select the year or the range of the years that you want to get the data. For example, if you want to get the data from 1 year, you can choose one of these. If you want to get the data about a range of years, for example, from 2010 to 2023, then you can select those years. If you want to get all the data, you can select all. Here you can choose in which format you want to download the data. For example, I want to get the data in Excel format. And before downloading, um, I want to see if the data is available about these two countries, the wheat production or wheat yield in Afghanistan and Canada. You can see here from 1961, Afghanistan yield wheat, and here is the value. So scroll down and see if the data is available about the Canada. Yes, here the data is available. So you can download the data from here. Download data. Then you can see here the data is easily downloaded. You can open the data in Excel sheet. So you can select the unnecessary information from this Excel sheet, and the only information that you need is you can have the value, the years, the name of the country, and also the item name or product name, because if you download the data about more than one item or more than one country, then you know the data is related to which item and which country. So you can use this data for time series analysis and other economic usages like making graphs. And I have also uploaded videos on how to download the data from other resources, and you can learn to download the data from other resources like World Bank and Ancestry. And thank you for watching this video.